Again! Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're gonna learn how to do saving and loading for in NumPy. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first you import NumPy as NP. Then after that, we make an array. Okay, array1 equals butter chicken. NP dot array 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, comma 8, comma 9, comma 10. Okay, next we're gonna save the data. Now, first we have to save it, then we can only load it. Saving and loading. np.save. So loading means it'll print it in the output. So you save it. np.save, put name of file, array.mpy. Call by our array, array1, brick city. Oh, array1. Next, we make a variable. Okay, actually, we just print this array dot npy, and after that, that's it. Oh, my bad. We had to do that. So array.npy. Now you've made a file, right? Go here, search for files. Array.npy is right there. So see, here, we tried to edit this. Like if I put AS or delete all this, the thing will be corrupt when we load the data, and we can't. Okay? You'll just see. And the 10, comma 10 meaning here, shape 10, meaning how many numbers are there. But the rest is like we don't know. They decoded it. Now, if we try loading the data, so we comment. Now let's try loading the data. So np.load array array.npy and print load. So watch. Prints error. See? Because we edited it. If we didn't edit it, it wouldn't be corrupt. So let's comment that, uncomment this, run it again. So array.np is there, nothing's corrupted. Oh, let's run again, right? Get the file, where's array.py? Okay. Let's try getting a new array. My array. So we put my here too. So, yeah, it will do, should we do it? Oh, because we're printing there. My array.npy. Now we go to files. There's my array.npy. Here it is. Okay. So here, it prints our list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It prints the list. Now let's say I have many like arrays. Okay? So for many arrays, we're gonna be learning that in next class. How to print many arrays. For now, we'll make another array. For example, like we have 1,000 arrays. Somebody says, "Hey Avner, look for the number 699." Then it's gonna take so long, it's gonna take literally so much time to just do it. So we're gonna use something called a zipping the data, which we'll do next video. Okay? So we want to like print a specific area for area 1 and 2, right? So what do? First, I'll just print the load. Okay. Now next, yeah, let's comment this. So what it's gonna do? We want to find a specific area for area 2, let's say. So for area 2, we can comment that. So area 2, np dot save area 1 dot npy, comma AR2, right? Now print my array and print array 1 dot npy. So we go to array 1 dot npy. Area 1 dot npy. It shows us our thing with the same thing, 10 numbers. Now let's just try to load the data. Comment that and comment this. Okay. My array and then another load. Load 1. Or we can just use this. Let's do this. So where is it? Array 1 dot what? Oh, yeah, we do it. Control Z, we can just add Control X, right? Load 1 equals to np dot load area 1 dot npy, print load, then print load 1. So you want to print a specific array, let's say. So to print a specific array, okay, which we'll do in next video, okay? And we're also going to learn about the zipping thing too, okay? For zipping. So thank everyone for listening about my video about my saving and loading file. Feel free if you have any questions, okay? You can write in the comments. I hope you like it, and bye.